Azure Monitor is your window into the health and performance of your Azure resources. It's like having a dedicated team constantly checking on your applications and infrastructure. Whether you're running virtual machines, web apps, or databases, Azure Monitor gathers valuable data to keep you informed. Imagine this: you launch a new web app and suddenly users experience slow loading times. Azure Monitor alerts you to the issue, providing insights into the root cause. You quickly identify a bottleneck in your database and optimize its performance, ensuring a smooth user experience. Without Azure Monitor, you'd be flying blind, unaware of potential problems until they escalate. It empowers you to proactively identify and resolve issues before they impact your business. This proactive approach saves you time, money, and the headache of dealing with outages. In a nutshell, Azure Monitor is an essential tool for any business running on Azure, offering comprehensive monitoring, alerting, and diagnostic capabilities. Azure Monitor is packed with powerful components that work together seamlessly. Let's explore two key players: Application Insights and Log Analytics. Application Insights provides deep visibility into your application's performance and usage. It tracks response times, dependency, calls, and exceptions, helping you pinpoint bottlenecks and optimize code efficiency. Think of it as a detective for your apps, uncovering hidden performance issues. Log Analytics is your central hub for collecting and analyzing log data from various sources. This includes your Azure resources, applications, and even on-premises servers. By consolidating logs in one place, you gain a holistic view of your environment, making it easier to identify trends, troubleshoot issues, and ensure security. Imagine trying to solve a complex issue by piecing together logs scattered across different systems. Log Analytics simplifies this process by providing a unified platform for log management and analysis. Together, Application Insights and Log Analytics form the backbone of Azure Monitor, providing you with the tools you need to monitor, diagnose, and optimize your Azure environment. Now, let's dive into how Azure Monitor collects and analyzes data to keep you informed. Metrics and logs are the two primary sources of information. Metrics are numerical values that track specific aspects of your resources, such as CPU usage, network traffic, or disk I/O. Azure Monitor automatically collects platform metrics for your resources, and you can also configure custom metrics to track application-specific data. Logs, on the other hand, provide detailed event records from your resources and applications. This includes everything from system events and error messages to user activity and audit trails. By analyzing logs, you can gain deep insights into the behavior of your systems and identify the root cause of issues. Azure Monitor offers powerful tools for querying, visualizing, and analyzing both metrics and logs. You can use pre-built queries or create your own using the Custo Query Language, KQL. This flexibility allows you to extract the specific information you need to troubleshoot problems, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Section 4. Proactive monitoring with alerts. Section 5. Dashboards and reports for better insights.